Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how I make a sopita de fideo with potatoes and ground beef. So if you want to learn how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. We're going to begin by making the sauce. To the blender cup, add 4 small Roma tomatoes, 1/4 of an onion, 2 garlic cloves, 3 chile guajillos, 2 chile chipotles, 1 tablespoon of beef bouillon, 2 teaspoons of tomato bouillon, and half a teaspoon of ground cumin. We're going to be blending with 2 cups of water. Okay, now we're just going to be blending until smooth. Okay, once we have our sauce, we can take it to the stove. Okay, now heat up your pan over high heat. Once it's nice and hot, we're going to add 1 pound of ground beef. I'm going to season with salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and half a teaspoon of chili powder. Break it down and allow it to cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove the meat from the pan, removing as much grease as possible. Now cover the bottom of your pan with a little bit of oil and just allow it to heat up. Once the oil is nice and hot, add 2 small diced potatoes. Along with 7 ounces of fideo. Now we're going to be frying for 5 minutes or until our fideo is nice and golden. Here I like to season my potatoes with a little bit of salt. Now don't stop mixing. After 5 minutes, we're going to add 1/4 of an onion and 3 roasted, peeled and chopped hatch peppers. Going to give it a couple minutes. Mix it all together. Okay, after 2 minutes, we're going to return the meat. And here we're also going to be adding our sauce. Now here also, depending on how brothy you want your sopita, then it depends on how much additional water you're going to add. I'm only going to be adding 1 cup. Now just make sure to mix it all together and bring it to a simmer. Once it comes to a full simmer, taste it for salt and see if you need to adjust it. For me, this is perfect. So now we're just going to add a little small bunch of cilantro. Going to reduce the heat to the medium-low. Cover it and allow it to cook for 12 minutes or until the potatoes are nice and soft. After 12 minutes, we're going to check on our potatoes. And this is what our sopita should look like. Check your potato, make sure that it is fully cooked, and it should be nice and soft. So just like that, we can get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that this dish right here, it brings back so many memories from my childhood. It's honestly super easy to make, so delicious. And you know, if you wanted more brothy, you can always add more water, but for me, right here, it's honestly perfect. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. And of course, you know, this is not spicy. Of course, if you're scared to be a little on the spicy side, you can always just add 1 chile chipotle. But the guajillos are not spicy at all. But I am ready. It's perfect. Everything's so good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make a super easy and delicious sopita de fideo. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.